Balsamic caviar. How to make amazing balsamic caviar and all type of caviar. So easy recipe. It will be your standard to make any juice, any sauce, demi-glace sauce, or even type of caviar. Let's do it. It's so easy and so delicious. It's healthy, and you can see you can make it as a sandwich. It gives you a nice presentation, very healthy taste, and you also burn fat. First of all, we have half liter of oil, vegetable oil, in the freezer at least 2 hours. 300 gram of balsamic vinegar or any type of juice or vinegar. 2 gram agar, all you need, you just boiling for 2 minutes. You mix it all when it's cold, then when it's boiled, you mix it for 1 or 2 minutes, then your caviar is very good. In case of you want to make it raspberry caviar or mango caviar, you added 300 ml of mango or raspberry with 40 gram of sugar, 2 gram of caviar. Agar. Then you wait until cool down a little bit. You put it in a squeeze bottle and then you drop inside the frozen oil. All you need, any type of oil, you keep it in the freezer for 2 hours, then becomes amazing caviar. You can strain and you make again and again until you finish all the quantity. Then you wash the caviar, you strain the caviar, you wash it with cold water, and you keep container in the fridge, and you serving when you have time. So this amazing caviar, you can see, cold water, we wash it and we strain again, and then you have fantastic caviar. You can do the same with any type of juice or fish stock, chicken stock, beef stock. 1 slice of cheese, Philadelphia, smoked salmon, and you put your caviar, and you have fantastic sandwich. I hope you like this video. If you see it's useful, please share with your friend. Make like, leave comment to know what kind of video you want us to make it next week. All the best. Don't work harder, just work smarter. You can make your amazing caviar with a lot of presentation. Let me know if you want any presentation of plated dessert, and you can see little zest of lemon. It bring your sandwich to another level of happiness. Ahmed Yunus, thank you all.